and today we are going to make a wall hanger. To make the wall hanger, we need paper straws, waste pieces of cardboard, woolen strings, scissor,
Black paper,
and Fevicol.
we need a piece of cardboard to make our heart strong.
अब शुरू करो।
Let's start. So you can see that our wall hanger is ready. Go and try this with your mummy, papa, dadu, dadi.
हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए
और शेयर कीजिए और
और
सब्सक्राइब हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
Bye bye.